So I'm really grateful for the opportunity to take part in this course. I think it's been valuable for several reasons. One of them being that it's not often that we get a chance to mix with the different colleagues from the different tourism entities in the UAE and also with the Ministry of Economy, and we've really come together the last 3 days to talk about the brand UAE from a tourism destination branding perspective, but also to learn from each other, which has been extremely valuable. It's also been very useful to look at international best practices in destination branding, to learn from some of the best in the industry, and to look at what we're already doing very well, but also what we could be doing differently. So I think the fact that MODUL University and UNWTO have enabled us to do that in the 3-day course has really made a difference, I think, to our own day-to-day work. So I do believe that we'll be taking some of the learnings back to the office, sharing the knowledge with the team and applying it to our day-to-day jobs. So it's been a very valuable experience for that.